What would I do as an investor? One, I would follow the money. Yes, it is my name on U.S. currency, almost $1.8 trillion with my name on it in currency in circulation, so no one has made more money than I have. But if I were following the money, where is it going? It's going to the metaverse, it's going to blockchain, it's going to artificial intelligence. Technology and innovation will be the key. And here's what's important to remember. In 2007 and 2008, we saw a huge growth of investment in technology and innovation. This was during the downturn. What was invented in 2007 that has turned our world upside down today? Anyone? The iPhone. Very good. The iPhone was invented in 2007. There is no doubt. And then obviously subsequent to that, you saw Facebook, you saw Google, you saw Airbnb, you saw Uber. In one of our biggest downturns, innovation still mattered.
Solo Scrooge, sending peace and blessings to you all out there. Hashtag Solo Nation. How's it going, my people? Hope everyone's well. Appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. We're giving you updates on XRP, sologenic and Corium. Hit the like button for me. That pushes the channel through the algorithm and helps the channel grow. So shout out to Riz XRP. And he posted this clip in February 2023. But this is an old clip. And he says, at Rosie Rios, what would I do as an investor? Follow the money where it's going. Metaverse, blockchain, and AI. Hashtag XRP. Hashtag Ripple. Hashtag India. So shout outs to Rosie Rios. She said her name's on the money. She said in the biggest downturn, in one of the biggest downturns, innovation still mattered. So as we go, we click to see Ripple posted, we are excited to support that Futureverse vision. So it says Ripple invests in 54 million round for AI metaverse firm Futureverse. I know some of you have seen this or seen similar articles, some haven't. Let's run over it quickly. So Ripple invested in the 54 million series a round for Futureverse. 10T Holdings led the funding round, which Futureverse says will go into scaling AI and metaverse technologies. Ripple has integrated Futureverse blockchain, the root network, and will see use of XRP as gas token. Futureverse, a company leveraging artificial intelligence, AI, and metaverse technology to advance growth in the gaming industry, has closed a 54 million series around a funding round. The round was led by 10T Holdings, a leading late-stage growth equity fund, and attracted the participation of Ripple. Futureverse plans to deploy the funds towards initiatives targeted at scaling AI and metaverse technologies. Per today's announcement, the company plans to tap into the partnership with 10T and Ripple to take the metaverse from an abstract idea to a practical, accessible, and interactive destination. Futureverse's AI metaverse ecosystem. Futureverse has plans to become the world's largest metaverse AI technology provider, layer 1 architect and creative studio. According to the company, this goal includes creating tools that support an open, scalable, and interoperable infrastructure. It is a goal that has seen it quietly roll up 11 startups into one ecosystem that's currently among the largest collaborative ecosystems for the metaverse. Some of the companies include AI Protocol Altered, State Machine, Creative Studio, Non-Fungible Labs, Decentralized Communications Protocol Silo, and Digital Asset Payments SDK Centropay. As part of the push to form a leading metaverse community, including for AI gaming powered by digital collectibles, Futureverse recently partnered with FIFA to launch an AI-powered consumer game dubbed AI League. The company also has a partnership with Muhammad Ali Enterprises in a deal set to see them launch Muhammad Ali The Next Legends, which will become the first ever AI-powered boxing game. Partnership with the Root Network and Ripple, as well as the other key collaborations. Futureverse is looking to tap into the benefits of blockchain technology via the integration of the Root Network and Ripple's XRPL. The Root Network is a blockchain and suite of protocols offering ready-made runtimes. Developers will be able to tap into this platform to build next-generation metaverse apps and games, the company noted. The integration with the XRPL allows for XRP to be used as a gas token and the XLS20 NFT standard, the two companies said in a statement. And in a comment, Monica Long, president of Ripple, said, "We are excited to continue to support the Futureverse vision and celebrate the Roots Network's integration with the XRP ledger. While we're at the earliest stages of what a project like this and really the larger concept of the metaverse can achieve, we at Ripple are thrilled to contribute to the foundational infrastructure layer and provide real utility to the end users of the open metaverse." So this is big business, this is big news. You know, as we just heard, Rosie Rios was talking about, you know, the metaverse. These are the future. This is the future. Blockchain is the future. So Ripple invests in 54 million round for AI metaverse firm Futureverse. And Rosie Rios, for those who don't know, is one of the directors at Ripple. So shout out to Bob Ross. Bob Ross tweeted, "This new department at Corium has set clear targets." So let's look. It says, "Meet the network expansion team. With diverse skill sets and remarkable careers in tech, the team is poised to elevate Corium's ecosystem of #DApps, fostering innovation. Building dev tools, they will make Corium one of the most developer-friendly blockchains. #BuildOnCore. So Corium, meet the network expansion team. Lamont Vale, developer relations manager. Giovanni Martinez, director of blockchain. Kenny, hope I'm pronouncing their names correctly. Russ, smart contract developer." So Bob Ross says the new department at Corium has set clear targets, partner with universities globally, host hackathons and developer workshops regularly, launch a developer-focused tools library to make Corium the most dev-friendly blockchain, fund innovative teams via Corium's grant program and incubator studio, all aim to attract more builders to Corium. So #BuildOnCore, BuildOnCore. So look, Twitter bids adieu to Bluebird as Elon Musk rebrands platform to X. So as we know, the platform's being rebranded. Look, we can see the X here, see the X there. And Brandon Hoffman, shout out to Brandon Hoffman. He says, "X is finally arriving. X will be an everything app, i.e. super app for US, like WeChat of China. Social, network, messages, video, content, finance, banking, payments, data. Over time, it would be half of global financial system." Elon Musk. So let's listen to what Elon's saying. Let's hear what Elon's saying, for those who haven't seen this.
There's a lot of great things that are going to come out. Obviously, payments down the road, maybe later this year, and improving the direct message stuff. Obviously, enabling full encryption and video and voice calls, and just basically solving, like basically, if there's something you want to do, you can do it on this sort of, you know, X everything app, or you can leave easily and do it somewhere else. Essentially, if done right, the X would serve people's financial needs to such a degree that over time it would become, I don't know, maybe half of the global financial system.
Wow.
Or some big number.
Okay.
I'm not sure what the number is, but pretty big. So it would be by far the biggest sort of financial institution. But like I said, not really in the way that people are used to thinking about banks. Mm-hmm. Just the most efficient database for the thing that is money. Like I said, like least amount of fraud. Everything's real time. And if it involves money in any way, it can be dealt with seamlessly on one location. And then in addition, you've got the sort of social media element, which is also information. It's people sharing information of various kinds, whether it's text, video, pictures, voice, and so so both money and what we call social media are really information exchange. And I think there's potential there to make a product that is really quite compelling, that combines all these things, simplifies people's lives, is more, cost efficient for the average person. Mm-hmm. So, you have a minimum number of fees and whatnot. So, so I think there's just a lot of potential to create some, like the ultimate app or system, website, whatever.
So shout outs to Brandon Hoffman for posting that. Everything Elon's describing in that clip there sounds like Ripple. It sounds like a social version of Ripple. Is it connected? Let me know in the comments your opinions, my people. Let me know down in the comments. Is this connected? Is this X connected with XRP? Is it connected with Ripple? It sounds like a social form of Ripple, what Ripple's doing. It sounds all connected to me. But let me know what your opinions are, my people, in the comments. Shout out to Raoul Powell. He says 2 things I've said when Elon bought Twitter, which is now X. Elon bought it for the AI and the free speech angle is to give it an unbiased model. He needs the AI to train the Optimus robot. He will use the crypto to be able to make global payments for creators, etc. My guess is he uses Doge. Serious business, serious things going on. Serious things. Look, he will also integrate payments and brokerage soon too, as all financial conversations happen here. Let's see how it evolves for better or for worse. So shout out to Raoul Powell. I like Raoul Powell. I watch him now and again. So my people, if you're not following me on Twitter, follow me on Twitter at soloscrooge. Sometimes if I don't post, if I don't post on the YouTube, I post on Twitter. You can message me on there as well. So my people, appreciate you all for the love and support of the channel. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, share this to your friends and family. I'm Solo Scrooge with the Solo News. Catch you on the next one. Peace.